Hi, it's Phil from Delphi Technologies, and today we're going to be unboxing this new DS480 Diagnostic Kit. It comes in a supplied rugged case, perfect for that workshop use. Let's have a little look inside. We can see at the front that we have two clips, and that allows us to access the rugged case. When we look inside, we've got a full protection layer on the left-hand side here, just to protect all the surface of the tablet while it's inside. Now, moving over to this side where all the equipment is, let's just take a little bit of a look through each of the components, what they do and how they work together. So we have the latest state-of-the-art Microsoft Surface Pro tablet. This has got that latest Intel processor. You can see here, really nice Surface Pro tablet in this fully customized case. You can see at the bottom there. Now, as we move to the back of the tablet, what we've got is two items. We have the hand grip, so it's really easy to use as a diagnostic tool while it's in the workshop. You can orientate it correctly as well. If you want to use it as a stand, we have the adjustable stand here. So then you can quite easily just prop that up and tap away and work. Folding it down is super easy. Press the button at the back, folds back down into position. Really, really nice tablet. Also comes with the pen. So for those slightly more intricate jobs, or we want to look at help files, we've got that pen and nice and easy to use. You don't need it all the time. Most of the time it's really easy to do with your finger, but we have that option there for people that do like that pen. Okay, so moving on, we have the power adapter, enabling you to power two items. So standard wall mains plug comes with the correct plug for your country. And then we've got the Microsoft Surface adapter there. As a little extra on the power adapter, you've also got an additional USB. If you need to charge anything, could be a phone, something relatively low powered, we've got that there as well. Moving on, we've got the hub. Now this is particularly important because this particular one has been tested extensively with the Surface Pro tablet. Now, the reason we've supplied a hub with it is because with the Surface Pro, you're going to get a USB-C and you're going to get a USB-A. But if, for example, you wanted to do something with pass-through, where you wanted to have a USB connection directly from the tablet into the VCI, then we've thought of everything. We have a USB-C hub, clicks in there, and it nicely magnetizes to the back there. So it keeps it all nice and tidy. And then within that hub, you've got two USB-As and then two additional USB-Cs. So it makes connecting via the USB directly absolutely perfect. Now, inside the tablet, we've already fitted it on this one. You have the Delphi Technologies security dongle. If it's not in the tablet when you receive it, then it's going to be just in the holder here on the VCI. Let's take a little bit of a closer look now at the VCI. For those that aren't familiar with it, this one is called the Bluetech VCI. It has a data logger on board with internal memory. It is fully CAN FD compatible. It has pass-through capability, secure gateway capability. We can see it's a genuine unit because we've got the hologram on the back. We've got color indicators here, which give you an idea of what's happening with the unit. Is the vehicle's battery low? Is it communicating with the car and with the tablet? A super nice feature, which I love, is the little light on the end, and it helps find that diagnostic port in the vehicle. It can either have Bluetooth connectivity directly to the tablet, which is how you're going to use it most of the time. But for those people that do want to wire, then we supply a USB-C to C. So we simply connect in between the USB-C connector and then to the USB-C connector then on the tablet, just like that. A nice little extra we include a shoulder strap. So if you are carrying it around, that risk of dropping it, you can always over your shoulder and it just keeps it really nice and secure. You have the two sections that go on the tablet and then the shoulder strap, which you can unbox and then adjust to your length. Now, there's a lot of equipment here and you might be thinking, when I receive this, how do I get started? Well, in the equipment is a very good quick start guide. We can open it up and we go step by step on the items that should be included in your equipment for you to do a quick component check, and then step by step on how to get started. And you can see the first item is to remove the USB dongle if it's still in the VCI and pop it straight into the USB connector on your tablet. It may already be fitted, so if it is fitted, you can just skip that step. Now, thanks for watching, and if you want to see any other videos or support, then follow us on social media or visit our Masters of Motion online hub. And if you want to do any extra training, then you can see our Delphi Technologies Academy online. Thanks for watching.